I'm doing the video right now. Okay, Mama is getting some toilet paper now. She's getting some toilet paper. She don't know what kind to choose. And here's a personal one. Sorry, I put my hand there. I didn't know what to do. Okay. Here's a knitting place. See all of that? Here's this. Here's this. You can sort of see it. And here's that. If something you don't like, my mom is now. See that cute little dog? It's right there. You can carry that. Yeah. Now she's going over. And now we hear a bounce ball. Okay. Here's all the candy. You can see. Okay, here's my favorite candy. And here's some gum I love. Daddy have to eat candy. You know. Right here. Here's Mama turning around and around. Won't stop turning around. You want me to put it in my pocket? I have a pocket. You better give it back. I was typing a movie.